Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the TradingView application on your Android device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Google Play Store on your device. And once you open it up, tap on the search box at the top section and then type in TradingView and start your search. From the search results, once you find the TradingView application, tap on it and you will see the install button. Go ahead and tap on the install button and this will begin the download and installation of the TradingView app on your device. Just wait for a while until the installation is completed, and when you see the open button, you can tap on it to open up the app. Once the application is opened up, you can proceed with signing up to create a new account or log in to your existing account in order to start using the TradingView app on your device right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and install the TradingView application on your Android device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.